You're watching The Curse of Oak Island in a Rush, and we're recapping the Season 8 episode, Old Wharf's Tale. So what happened? And it's another week digging in the swamp, desperately searching for show content. They find pottery bits once damaged in a fire. I want to believe them, but I've been burned before. Sifting around the Samuel Ball Foundation, they find more pottery bits, and the gold coin they've been promoting all week. But not really. It's a button from the English Royal Navy. So unlike the button, that mystery is finally sewn up. No word on what happened with the trapdoor leading to the secret room from last week. I guess we won't be getting to the bottom of that foundation anytime soon. Random metal detecting produces a blasting cap from one of the seismic surveys and an ox shoe nail. I want to say something funny, but if I have to think up any more ox jokes, I might go into cardiac arrest. So dumb. Then they bring Carmen Legg the broken ring bolt something from last week. He identifies it as being from the 1600s and is some part of a ship, which when you think about it adds absolutely no new content to the show. Finally, a local treasure hunter who once worked with Dan Blankenship arrives. He claims there was once 2 wharfs off the Samuel Ball property, because one time while diving there he once saw some sharp-edged rocks. So we're off on a diving adventure. They find some random rocks, which somehow morph into wharfs, which then leads to wild speculation about nothing in particular, which is a fairly accurate representation of this entire season. Tune in next time when a new theory claims the wharfs were once used for weighing fish. And then it's proven true when they find the scales. Absolutely ridiculous. Hey, if you enjoyed the episode, you can go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, watch the old episodes, leave a comment below, and tune in next week for what I assume has to be the last episode of the season.